Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a brand new 2018 Ford F-150 SuperCrew Platinum Series. It's magnetic in exterior color and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 Ecoboost engine, paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission with auto start-stop technology, creating the best performance and fuel economy offered today. This model has four-wheel drive with electronic shifting. The Platinum comes with a ton of great features. It features a stainless steel grille, LED daytime running lights, signal lamps, high beams, low beams, and a pair of halogen fog lamps, chrome wrap tow recovery hooks. It has an engine block heater. It has active grille shutters, 20-inch premium Platinum Edition wheels wrapped in an all-terrain tire, a chrome accented power deployable running board. It has blind spot monitoring, chrome mirror caps, LED side lighting, and chrome door handles with an intelligent access key. This model also has Ford factory remote start, privacy tinted rear windows, and an overhead twin panel moonroof. The rear features the Platinum stainless steel tailgate, a chrome tailgate handle, and a body colored rear bumper. It has rear park sensors, LED tail lamps with reverse lights, LED box lighting, and box link management system. As well, it has a rear tailgate step integrated into the rear tailgate. It has a heavy duty trailer package with 7 and 4-pin electrical hookups. The Platinum offers a black interior with a black wood grain. You'll find memory seating, power locks, power windows, and power folding mirrors, premium door speakers, ambient lighting, and door storage. We have carpeted flooring and Platinum door sills. We have automatic headlamps, power adjustable brake pedals, and electronic parking brake. A power heated steering wheel that offers adaptive cruise control, trackpad for the menu zone, trackpad for the media zone, and a sync voice activate control switch. We have a flow-through center console for comfort and storage, a locking center armrest for secure storage for your valuables, a two-tone unique to the Platinum interior with massaging seats with power controls. We have an overhead power sunshade and power moonroof, LED overhead lighting. We have an auto-dimming rearview mirror, universal garage door openers, and still a place to store your glasses. The Platinum has a push-button engine start, electronic shifting four-wheel drive with an automatic function, a trailer backup assist feature, and an integrated trailer brake controller. We have a nice large productivity screen located in the driver's view. We have a Sync 3 touchscreen for the premium B&O audio system. It has factory navigation, we have Wi-Fi connectivity, and an outside temperature display. We have a backup camera when shifted to reverse. It has a zoom mode, as well as guidance. We have 6 months of prepaid Sirius satellite radio, standard Bluetooth phone controls. We also have heated and cooled front seats, standard air conditioning, and rear window defrost. We have a 12-volt 110 power outlet, 2 smart charge USB ports, and another clock and glove box for additional secure storage. The second row offers power windows, door speakers, and door storage. We have a flat storage floor, storage and seat pockets at the driver and passenger seat. We have heated outboard seats, and the ability for the rear passengers to charge their electronics on 12-volt, 110, or smart charge USB ports. The rear bench is a 60-40 split seat. We have the center armrest that folds down if not needed for a seat. It also features cup holders, power sliding rear window, overhead lighting, and garment hooks. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.